about to do with Marcy. New subscribers, I welcome you. We are doing some poor man's machining. Got my old trusty wind drill press here. Got a file with a C-clamp. And we got the cylinder upside down on this makeshift mount. And we're going to do some poor man's machining. I'm trying to get the surface down here nice and flat. So what we're going to do, we're going to spin this thing up like this, and we'll very slowly lift it up until we hear the start scraping the bottom. And we're just going to let it just kind of work itself in. I don't want to take too much off, but I'll show you what we're going to do here. Give it a touch. Kind of got to let it just work itself in just a little bit by a little bit. Here. It'd be cool if I had like an air type ram on the bottom side, but I can adjust it up. Here it go away. I'm gonna go up just a little bit more. I'm just trying to get it straight. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to cut on it too much. Wait for the sound to go away until it stops. Just cutting it just very little. I mean, you can see it start building up over here. This is what happens when you don't have much money. You got more time than money. I know this is not the right way to go about doing this, but it is what it is. That's that 54cc cylinder. What happened was I blew the gasket out on the edge right here, and I'm not having just a hard time finding these anywhere. So I kind of filed it back down, got the edge off of it, and I tried to reuse it again. Gonna let this thing work on here like this. They put some cutting oil on it. I just used good old WD-40. Squirt some of that in there. Just let it cut. And then when it stops doing what it's doing, I believe it will be straight. This is level. That'll be level, and then this thing here, up here is straight, here. So, like I said, this is poor man's machining. I kind of wanted to show you this. This is what I've kind of been working on for y'all. Gotta wait for it to go away. Takes a little bit. It's not 100% accurate, but it works. Always got to think of stuff to do and build and stuff. That's working like that. We got the old 54 back together. These two bolts that were stripped out and this one that was stripped out, I did some Durabond in here. We used to use Durabond on the school buses. It comes like in a little yellow, orange egg. Man, that stuff, and you can tap and drill and do all kinds of stuff with that. And what I did was I put a nut on the back side up here on this one. I put the bolt in it, and kind of let the bolt hang out in the threads, and then I just put these in here with the threads hanging on the inside, and then just put the Durabond all around it and everything. And then once it hardened up, it just backed the bolts out, and it's got perfect threads every time. So that's what we did on the 54. Lower this down just to here. Let's see. I said, I'm not trying to machine too much off of this. Just want to get it straight. It had a high spot when you actually put this piece here on there. Without the gasket, you can look in the light and you can see the high spot. But I did cut this down just a hair. And you can do this the same way on here. I would actually like to cut this down a good bit, and that way you'll have more meat on the inside of the cylinder head when the jug goes up in there. You'll have more seal. See how little you got right here? You don't have that much in there right there. If it was dropped down maybe about 10,000, you'd have that much more. So, I mean, I can mark it right now and tell you how much it is. We only got about 1,000 on there. So, I'll say 10,000, but let's see here. This is only 5,000, so if we did 2.5, 2,500, it'd be in there. Yeah, it's cutting. It's got a high spot on it. Here more. Let's check this thing out. Yeah, you can see all the what they call tailings on here. What you can do, see how smooth it is across here. Let me move you over here and see what you're doing. I'm sorry. So we got it on there, and then what I like doing is wipe it off on here. And put our piece back on there. And what you can do is you put this on here, and you're just looking for daylight. And you got a hair bit of daylight in there. Means you still got a high spot on there. So it's gonna have to cut on this for a little bit to get that high spot off of there. I just kind of wanted to show you this, how we go about doing this poor man's machining stuff. You got the old, show you here. You got the old 47 all hooked up with the expansion pipe and the flywheel and all that stuff. As soon as this nor'easter goes away, we'll be able to go out and run her. But I'm back. Just wanted to show you this little thing I was doing, guys. This is Dave with David Wickham RC. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, give me that thumbs up, and we'll see you maybe tomorrow if this nor'easter passes. See you in the next one, guys. Y'all have a beautiful day.